Dear students, today we will read the chapter Where is the Pink Whale? So here is given some new words: court, weird, angry, minister, rupees, thief, kingdom, answer. So this is the story. Kuber is the king of Jana. He is sitting in his court with his ministers. A short man with a white beard comes into the court. Good evening, my lord, says the man. Good evening, says the king. What can I do for you? My lord, if you give me 10,000 rupees, I can get you a pink whale, says the man. All the ministers in the court whistle when they hear this. A pink whale. No one has ever seen a pink whale. The king thinks, no other king has a pink whale. I am going to keep the pink whale in a big pink pool. When can you bring the pink whale to me? Asks the queen. You may have the whale in 2 days' time, answers the man. King tells his minister to bring 10,000 rupees. He gives the money to the man. He says, if you cannot bring the whale in 2 days' time, I am going to whip you. The man takes 10,000 rupees and goes away. Next day, while taking a round of his kingdom, the king tells his minister to make a list of all the fools in his kingdom. The minister makes a list. He puts the name of the king at the top. When the king reads the list, he becomes very angry. Why is my name on the list? He wants to whip the minister. The minister folds his hand. He says, I am sorry, my lord, but you gave so much money to that thief. Do you think he is ever going to come back with a pink whale? The king asks, what if he brings the whale? Then, my lord, says the minister, I will take out your name from the top of the list and put my name there. And all the ministers laugh there. So you will read the chapter 2 times. This is your assignment, and try to learn the spellings which is given before the chapter WS onwards, and here in the chapter where is the pink whale, new words. Okay. Next I will explain the